Welcome to the epic story of the Roman Empire, where unparalleled military strength forged a legacy that continues to awe us today. At the heart of this mighty empire were the Roman legionaries, disciplined soldiers who defined its military prowess. These legionaries were not just warriors, they symbolized Rome's indomitable spirit and strategic brilliance. As we embark on this journey through history, we'll delve into how these formidable soldiers were the backbone of the empire's might. From their rigorous training to their strategic combat roles, Roman legionaries shaped history. Join us as we explore their life and legacy, beginning with their rise to prominence in the ancient world. Our journey starts with the formation of these extraordinary legionaries, setting the stage for their remarkable impact. Stay with us as we uncover the fascinating details of their lives, from the camps they called home to the battlefields where they forged their name. In the dawn of the Roman Empire, its military might began with the formation of legionaries. This power lay in a rigorous recruitment process. Young men, driven by duty and ambition, flocked to Rome's banners. Each potential legionary underwent meticulous evaluation, ensuring only the fittest joined these elite ranks. Once selected, recruits faced intense training. Under seasoned centurions, they learned discipline through relentless drills. This training was both physical and mental, crafting warriors who could withstand battle chaos with unwavering resolve. Beyond individual prowess, the true strength of the legion lay in its structure. Each legion was a finely tuned machine, organized into cohorts and centuries, ensuring flexibility and cohesion. This organization allowed legionaries to execute complex maneuvers with precision. Thus began the journey of a Roman legionary, marked by discipline, duty, and an unyielding bond with comrades. As we continue exploring their daily lives and heroic combat strategies, we uncover a legacy that shaped history. Join us in this fascinating exploration of how these warriors were not just soldiers but pivotal architects of Rome's enduring empire. Next, we delve into the daily life within the Roman camp, unveiling the routines and camaraderie that defined a legionary's existence. In the heart of the Roman Empire, life for a legionary was a blend of discipline and camaraderie. Each day began with the trumpet's call, signaling the start of structured routines. From dawn till dusk, legionaries engaged in rigorous training, ensuring they were always battle-ready. Beyond drills, these soldiers formed a close-knit community. Their barracks became a second home, where stories were shared and bonds strengthened over simple meals. Living conditions were Spartan, yet they fostered resilience. Wooden bunk beds lined the tents, each a sanctuary for a weary soldier. Despite the harshness, there was a sense of belonging. Legionaries relied on each other, forming friendships that transcended rank and origin. Social interactions were vital as they played games, sang songs, and celebrated victories together. The communal life in the Roman camp was crucial for morale. In these moments of unity, they found strength to face challenges ahead. Camaraderie was not just a luxury, but a necessity for survival in a legionary's demanding life. As we delve deeper into their world, we understand the essence of their existence. Next, we'll explore how these disciplined soldiers transformed into formidable forces on the battlefield, mastering tactics and strategies that would etch their names into history. In the heat of battle, the Roman legionaries stood as paragons of military strategy. Their mastery of combat was unrivaled, born from a deep understanding of formations like the phalanx. This tactic allowed them to create an impenetrable wall of shields and spears, advancing as one unstoppable force. Each legionary was not just a soldier, but a skilled tactician, adept with various weapons. From the short, thrusting gladius to the heavy pilum javelin, they wielded their arsenal with precision and power. This versatility in weaponry was a cornerstone of their success, enabling them to adapt swiftly to changing battle tides. Strategic maneuvers were second nature to these disciplined warriors. They could outflank an enemy, exploit weaknesses, and turn battle chaos to their advantage. This strategic brilliance often turned the tide in their favor, securing victories that expanded the Roman Empire. As the dust settled and battle clamor faded, the legacy of these tactics became clear. They were not just fighting for survival, they were crafting a legacy of military prowess that echoed through history. This legacy sets the stage for understanding the challenges they faced, both on and off the battlefield. Next, we delve into the harsh realities and internal conflicts that tested their resolve, illuminating the true grit behind their storied success. Amidst the grandeur of the Roman Empire, legionaries faced trials that tested their resolve. The icy winds of distant lands and the scorching sun of foreign deserts were just the beginning. As they marched to the edges of the known world, every step was a battle against nature itself. Within their ranks, whispers of discontent sometimes grew louder than the clash of swords. Internal strife and rivalries could threaten even the most disciplined lines. Yet perhaps the greatest challenge lay beyond, the relentless threats from enemies eager to topple Rome's power. These adversaries, often as skilled and cunning, sought to exploit every weakness. Despite their formidable prowess, legionaries had to constantly adapt and overcome. Each challenge was a lesson in endurance, strengthening them for battles ahead. As we delve deeper into their legacy, we'll uncover how these challenges shaped not only their lives, but also their indelible impact on history. Next, we'll explore the lasting legacy of these remarkable soldiers and their enduring influence on the Roman Empire's expansion. As we draw our journey to a close, let's reflect on the indelible mark left by the Roman legionaries. These disciplined soldiers were the cornerstone of Rome's vast expansion, pushing the empire's boundaries further than ever imagined. Their strategies and courage on the battlefield not only secured victories, but also set a standard in military history that echoes through the ages. The legacy of these legionaries is woven into the very fabric of Rome's enduring success, showcasing their pivotal role in shaping an empire that once ruled the known world. It's a testament to their unwavering dedication and tactical genius. As we transition to our next exploration, consider how the echoes of these ancient warriors continue to resonate in modern military tactics and historical narratives. Their story is not just a chapter in history, but a saga of human resilience and ingenuity. Join us as we delve deeper into how these legends influence the world we know today. Stay with us for more captivating tales from history's greatest epochs. As we draw to a close, let's reflect on the enduring legacy of the Roman legionaries. Their influence stretches far beyond the ancient battlefields they once dominated. Modern military tactics owe much to the innovations and strategies developed by these disciplined soldiers of Rome. The precision and organization of today's armies reflect the structural genius of Roman legions, where each soldier played a crucial role in the collective success. Historically, the legionaries were more than just warriors. They were symbols of Rome's might and ambition. Their presence in distant lands was a testament to Rome's reach and resilience. Yet, it's their impact on military strategy that remains most profound. The meticulous formations, strategic deployments, and adaptive combat techniques pioneered by the legionaries set standards still revered and studied in military academies worldwide. In understanding their historical significance, we appreciate the depth of their contribution, not just to Rome, but to military history at large. The Roman legionaries were architects of a military tradition that shaped the future of warfare, influencing tactics that have stood the test of time. As we look back at their legacy, we see how the echoes of their discipline and innovation continue to shape modern military doctrine. Their story is one of enduring significance, a chapter in history that bridges the ancient with the present. Join us next as we delve into a final reflection on their lasting impact, summarizing a journey through time that celebrates the Roman legionaries' indelible mark on history. As we conclude this journey through time, we reflect on the indelible mark left by the Roman legionaries. Their discipline, strategy, and unyielding spirit were not just the backbone of the Roman Empire's military prowess, but also a beacon of influence for generations to come. These warriors were more than soldiers. They were architects of history, shaping the world with their courage and tactical brilliance. The legacy they forged continues to echo in modern military strategies, a testament to their enduring impact. In remembering their story, we honor their contributions to history and acknowledge their lasting influence on our world today. The Roman legionaries remain a symbol of strength and innovation, a legendary force that transcended their time. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey as we explored the lives and legacies of these remarkable warriors. We hope this narrative has enlightened and inspired, leaving you with a deeper appreciation for the extraordinary role they played in shaping our past and present. Until next time, farewell.